Hey guys, once again back on this tile. Just wanted to show you, I showed you how to put it on, but the actual application of the adjustable arm. Okay, so it comes out of your belt clip, stick it in your belt clip, twist it sideways, pop it out. We then take the adjustable arm, we slip it in and up, okay? Now, there's a few things that are embedded into the engineering of this device, some safety related features. Number one, is that we have a stop in here, which does not allow the rotation to go into the nether regions, if you will. So that stop also acts as an accelerator. So if I have my hands full, number one, I'm not worried about getting hit down there, but if I have my hands full and I'm about to set a tile, I simply pop it out. See, so it's an accelerator, it's a bump, just like that, okay? Then we have the third feature, which is the lock. Now, the lock, some people like the lock, some people don't, some people go in between using it and not using it. I like to use the lock when I'm in confined spaces and I'm not moving around a lot if I'm stationary. So, for example, this is how the lock works. We simply undo it from the magnet, lift up, lock it in. Now I'm into place, and this is where the backup really shines, because the work that I'm doing here, I just set this tile. Now, this work is pretty hands-on. What I'm doing is now, clicking in my spacers as I move. And I wanted to show you something else that is really cool. Once you find, if you're a tile layer, you know this, that once you have your spacers in place, well, I still have another issue here. And that issue is that I got this tile, I can feel it, it's a little high right here. So what better tool to use if it's not your arms and hand, your hands, is to actually just put the device, the arm on it. Now I'm completely weightless, and yet I'm putting a tremendous amount of pressure on this tile, which is great because now the download is being handled while my two hands are moving it ever so slightly as the download comes down. So I have more dexterity. So if I didn't have the backup right now, I would be having to do it with two hands, and I wouldn't be able to guide it into place. So you can say what you want, but it's basically like having a third arm. So, but the best part about this arm is we don't care if it gets injured. It can't get injured. It won't get injured. And that's really what it's about. Thanks, guys.